Hey YouTubers, girls and boys there, out there. We're going to make a light here, and I'll show you how to do that. These little handy lights are pretty good. My wife brought me one of these home, and I'm going to put it to good use. So let's watch. So this is what it looks like, and you get them at Walmart, I guess. It's called Light All wireless light switch. Okay, we're going to open it up. I'm going to try to open it up. Yeah, that's tough packaging. They want you to get into one of these. Hang on. So we got the packaging opening. It's got these two stickers here. These are double-sided tape. And this is where the batteries go. So let's get it out of this plastic. Lights up pretty good. Wow, look at that. So I'll show you next what we're going to do. It does have magnets too, so we're going to put double-sided tape. This is 3M right here on that side, and right here on this side, like so. And then we're going to peel this off. See, try to peel it off. Got one. Give me some luck there that I get the other while I'm on camera, so don't waste your guys' time. Yeah, getting it. Oh, got the other one. Okay, then we're going to take these paint sticks and we're going to stick one right there, like that, and another one. I want to get them nice and even right there, like that. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, we mark the line. You want to shorten them up, and you're just going to score them with a razor knife, and then you can snap them off. You have the tape on the top side here, which is going to be the bottom side. Okay, so you're going to put it down like this against there, like that. And I'm sorry I'm out of focus here. And I'm going to put it like that. So sticks on like that. Come down here, flip the switch, and you got light. So we're airbrushing. You can use a couple of them too. Pretty bright. It's hard to see in this on this video, but it lights up that area pretty well. And it's like $3.50 for one of these. So I just want to show you that, and if it applies to your situation, please do this. And I hope you like my videos and you ring the little bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.